Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a very nice lacy pattern for you. In this tutorial you have to have multiple of 4 stitches plus 2 for edge here and 2 for the edge at the end. The pattern should be repeated in 4 rows and it can start exactly in row 1. As you can see here, this is the front side and this is the back side of the job. What we have to do for row 1, as I told you, imagine this is row 1. In this tutorial, as I told you, I use 2 for edge. The first one I take, the second one I pull the stitches. Now in the 4 next stitches, what I have to do in row 1, yarn over, knit these 2 stitches together, then knit 2 stitches like that. Repeat, yarn over, knit together, knit 2 stitches, and we repeat that one until the end of the row. Yarn over, knit together, knit 2 stitches. As I told you, at the end you are going to have 2 stitches for edge. Just pull these 2 stitches. This is the end of row 1. Row 2, we take these 2 stitches as the edge, then pull all stitches. Make sure the one we already had the yarn over, you have to do it like to have a hole like this. We keep continue to pull all stitches until the end of the row like that. As we told you, at the end of the row you have to have 2 stitches, just knit them as a edge. Row 3, what we have to do, we are going to pull these 2 stitches. Now we are in the next 4 stitches. First of all, we knit the first one. For the next 3, we are going to make a cable. Insert the hook in these 2 and change it with this, the one in the beginning. In this case, you have to just get back in this way. You have to just change the position. Then insert the hook here between these 2 and knit together. Then knit 1 and yarn over. So again we have 4. Let's repeat. Knit 1, make a cable, insert the hook here, change the position. Now knit these 2 together. knit 1 yarn. I repeat. Like this. I am going to continue to the end of the row and up. Let's do the last one together again. Knit 1, make a cable, yarn over, and the last 2 stitches. Row 4, like row 2, what you have to do, you should again pull all stitches until the end of the row. As I told you, this pattern should be repetition of row 1 to row 4. After few rows, the pattern, just let me finish this row. After few rows, the pattern should look like that. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.